Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to convert kilobytes to megabytes in Google Sheet using a simple formula. Let's say you have file size in kilobytes and you want to convert them into megabytes. We know that 1 megabyte is equal to 1024 kilobytes. We will divide the kilobytes value by 1024. Click on the first empty cell next to your data and type this formula. Here A2 is the cell with the kilobyte value. Press enter and you will get the size in megabytes. Now drag the formula down to apply it to the rest of the cells. And that's how you can easily convert kilobyte to megabyte in Google Sheets using a simple division formula. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share for more Google Sheet tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.